Oh,
Right.
So what we got in the box
What's
then?
in there, Steve?
Bit of an unusual one this time,
un-
chaps.
Big unveiling, I think.
Ooh,
Yes, definitely.
Is it alive?
This is another.
Well,
moving?
it is alive
It's
actually.
another
It is
member.
a real
It's
thing.
a new member of the KG team.
It is.
No.
Yeah, yeah.
It's the one with all the brains.
Meet Daucus.
Ah.
Daucus is now officially a member of the KG team.
Isn't he
And
cute?
Daucus will be popping up every so often.
He's a roving reporter.
He is a roving reporter.
Yes, he'll be sent all over the country.
Various places. You've got to keep your
Lovely
eye
gardens.
out for Daucus.
Yes, if you're in a lovely garden somewhere this summer, you might see Daucus.
Nice beard.
You might see him in a few.
Vaguely familiar,
He does
actually. He
seem
looks
vaguely
like
familiar.
someone I know, but I can't think who it is.
No. So
Yes.
yeah, so Daucus will be popping up in a few films and
He will.
in the magazine.
He will be writing features. He'll probably write the best features in the
Probably the best,
magazine.
yep.
And they'll be appearing later on. But yes, for this, he'll be appearing in videos as well, won't he? So if you look out for him,
Yeah. Look out for Daucus.
And,
Daucus the Gnome, the new member
let us know. Yeah,
of the KG team.
let us know when you see him.
Honorary Mudketeer.